Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are learning the different data types in JavaScript, and I already started with a blank HTML page, and I have linked my JavaScript file, and it's inside of my JS folder called script.js. Alright, so I'm opening my script, and I create a variable called age equals to 69, for example, and this is a data type number. Then we have a variable called first name, for example, and assign it to Peter, for example, and this is a data type string, and the string is declared with these quotation marks in the beginning and the ending. Then we create an array, for example, and call this variable children, and we start with these brackets and closing brackets, and inside of here we say, for example, Lisa and Kevin, for example, and this is an array. Alright, but JavaScript treat an array like an object. Alright, so an array is an object in JavaScript. Then we have a variable called x, for example, and assign it with these curly brackets. All right, and inside of an object, if we assign a variable or if we assign a variable a property inside of an object, a property, then we have to assign it with an colon. And we say Peter, for example, and we make a comma, not a semicolon, and say last name, and assign it with a colon to Griffin. And this is treated like an object, not like an object because it is an object, okay? Then we have a data type Boolean. We say variable y equals true, for example, and this is a Boolean. The Boolean can only be true or false. So to prove to you that these different data types are real, I make document.write, and we want to print out the type of our variable. So we say type of, and inside of our type of we could write anything like this, for example, reloading our page, and it says a number, or we can write our variable inside of it. We're reloading this page, you see it is a number. And to prove to you that JavaScript makes no difference between an integer and a float, I make a float here and reloading my page, and it's still a number. All right, so then we have a data type string. So let's test first name, reloading our page, and it's type of string. Then to prove to you that an array is an object, we print out the type of our children, reloading our page, and it's printed out as object. Then we print out our object, reloading our page, and it is an object. Then we're printing out our y, our Boolean, reloading our page, you see it is a Boolean. Alright, so these are the different data types, but there are problems for computers, because when we have, for example, a variable c, and I assign it to 2 plus 4 plus 6, for example, and then I add a string with hi, for example, or hello, reloading I have to print it out, of course. And I say document.write c. It says 12 hello because JavaScript treats every problem from left to right. So it starts with 2 plus 4 plus 6 equals 12, and then plus hello. It creates a string. All right. And if I do it in reverse, like plus 2 plus 4 plus 6, it says hello 246, 64. All right. So these are different problems you could have, and you can always use the type of function if you're not sure which type your data is. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked this video. If so, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, and we'll see us in the next video. Bye.